Muhoozi woke up as usual, as we already know, his character online, taking it on X, formerly Twitter, talking about Eddy Mutwe. Eddy Mutwe, as you already know, is a guy labeled as one of the strongest supporters of Noob. Muhoozi posted a photo of a guy appearing like somebody in the showers, like somebody not happy, and he put a caption saying, learning Banyankole. Banyankole is the Ankole language. And he went ahead to add that I've started. I still have to castrate him. So he also endeavors to castrate Eddy Mutwe. Maybe meaning he's saying that Eddy Mutwe is under torture. Just thinking out loud, don't know the truth. And then he went ahead to say, next is Bobi. I have never joked in my life. I don't know why people think my tweets are jokes. So he's reminding you that his tweets are not jokes. Muhoozi again reposted the previous post where he said he's learning Banyankole, and said this is when he was urinating, by the way. So Eddy Mutwe was learning Banyankole while urinating. And then lastly, you had a long list of tweets, but the last one we can't pick out is, he said, if Bobi abuse anybody in my family again, he will imperil Eddy even more than he already has. So those are the tweets from our dear Chief of Defense Forces, Muhoozi. And then also there was a response which came in from lawyer Malem Birzi, who's a counsel. Malem Birzi was asked about the post, and here is his response.
Counsel Malem Birzi, yes. Counsel, what do you comment on posts attributed to Muhoozi Kainerugaba displaying a tortured Eddy Sebufu, also known as Eddy Mutwe, especially when you're heading to Uganda Law Society to celebrate your 10 years of rule of law?
Those posts, if the posts are made by Muhoozi, you see, I'm skeptical about relying on social media, because I have a case of Seranyans which I believe in, but that thing must be proved. Be that as it is, I consider that to be provocation by whoever is doing it. Actually, it is ethnic provocation. Ethnic provocation is a tool, as I told you yesterday, used by dictators worldwide. It was used by Saddam Hussein, it was used by Gaddafi on people of some region. It has been used by many people. When dictators understand that a particular region does not like me, they promote ethnic, they bring ethnic provocation. When these people react improperly, they massacre them, they kill them, claiming that they are prisoners. The same thing Obote did here. When things turned against him, he promoted, he brought ethnic provocation, and the Baganda never realized that actually that was a provocation. Actually, not the Baganda decided, but the Mengo people. And at the end of the day, history is known.
But if provoked with words like Eddy Mutwe was tortured in the process of learning Banyankole by force, is this not enough to justify retaliation by Sebufu's tribesmen?
That would be barbaric. And actually, when you retaliate, you would have played in the hands of the provoker. Because the purpose of provocation is that we start a war, we start a fight. Now, if you respond in the same language like he has come, then you are creating problems for yourself, actually more especially. Because when you are provoked, you don't just react like that.
Council, when people fundraising numbers
701 88 1231 and 787 263 086.